Doing a quick video on the Cerwin Vega CV 5000. These amplifiers are discontinued now, and just because I have one out, I decided that I would do a quick review on it. So if you ever pick up one of these used, you're going to want to buy it. They don't make them anymore. They don't make a lot of these toroidal transformer amplifiers anymore. And this particular unit, it's heavy as sin. It's about 88 pounds, not even in the box. Toroidal transformer is somewhere around 3300 VA. It's a monster. It's got 24 capacitors in the back for a total of about 244,000 UF in capacitance in total loaded in the back. Operates on 16 output transistors per channel. Here you can see the toroidal transformer. It's just massive, and this is in a 3RU chassis. And the amplifier boards, you can see the output transistors. 8 positive on the top, 8 negative on the bottom. If you're wondering where the rest are, there's actually a positive and a negative rail, so you're going to have transistors on the top and transistors on the bottom of that heat sink. In the back here, you'll notice if you come over to the power supply, wow, now that's there's a whole 12 set of capacitors and PCB board underneath this as well. And as you can see here, there's these three black items there. Those are 3 rectifiers. There's another 3 rectifiers underneath. Total of 6 rectifiers at 35 amp each, maxing out at 105 amps per channel. So you got some pretty serious amperage power there for rectification. You got some pretty serious smoothing capacitors. This thing just basically handles anything. It goes down to around 5 Hertz, no problem. And this one here, you notice here, there's I installed some voltage regulators on this one just to for home use to make the fans go a little bit slower. Someone wants to buy this one off me, and they asked me to include the fans and put the regulators in, so I did do that. But here you can see it's just a monster. It's just everything is crammed in this case. You can see that huge resistor there for limiting inrush current. Here the front power PCB. These can be wired for 240 volt very easily. They'll run on either 120 or 240. So if you really want to max out the amount of power you can get from this amplifier, if you don't have a 30 amp plug and you only got a 20 or a 15, if you run it at 240 vac, that'll pretty much solve your problem. Yeah, there she bees. Power on. It's going to sound a bit on the quiet side because I have the fans turned down. They could be turned down more yet. But at this point I just decided to leave them at a certain level. If the buyer wants to make the fans run any slower than that, he can turn them down more if he wants to. I'm going to miss this. I really don't want to say goodbye to it, but I got dental bills and stuff, so hopefully someone will enjoy this beautiful amplifier. Cerwin Vega. It's nice to have the Cerwin Vega name on an amp. Still waiting for him to come up with something to replace the toroidal line. They never did. That's the video, very short, for the Cerwin Vega CV 5000.